Hi Mitch and Sophia. I just wanted to congratulate you on your twins, and I'd love to meet them one day. For now, meet my baby.
While I've been riding now, I had a nice peaceful thought in my head, and I came across an old thing that Mitch used to say, and that was he always wanted to be a ladies' man. So it's only fitting now that, well, he's got 3 ladies in his life. So Mitch, kids are hard work, mate. So yeah, if you ever want a break, you know where to come. You've always got a man in South Africa. The last thing that I want to say is that if there's anything that you ever need, the Bulldogs will always be here for you.